we are in the misty hills of Western Ghats. This is somewhere in the middle of Mulchi. It's called Andarvan. It's a forest trail, and we're trying to head inside the forest. It's really misty right now because we're in the middle of a crowd, and I have Saj with me. The guys at the gate told us that this is a 100-kilometer trail. I'm not sure how true that is, but check this out. There are just continuous streams one after the other. I think that's because of the monsoon season. So come with a good pair of shoes. Our shoes are completely drenched. What is your verdict of the sceneries that you're seeing? तुम भी मर्ज हो रही हो उसमें. कहाँ तक जाता है ये ट्रेल, क्या लगता है देखो?
बंदे ने बोला तो 100 किलोमीटर.
100 किलोमीटर थोड़ी जाएंगे, बॉम्बे आ जाएगा इतनी देर में.
बॉम्बे चले जाएंगे.
It's so misty out here, like we're walking in the middle of a cloud. And it's a very biodiverse area. A lot of different sort of birds we've seen. सांप वाप तो नहीं दिखाया अभी तक, luckily. But a lot of birds, a lot of plants, और मैगी भी मिल रही है यहाँ पे. Typical Indian spots. Easy to accessible है तो मैगी मिलेगा उधर.
हम भी खाएंगे मैगी.
जी नहीं. So where we parked our car outside the gate, they charge us like 50 rupees for entry there. But अब आगे आओगे तो आपको ये वाला गेट दिखेगा मेरे पीछे, जहाँ लोग फोटोज खींच रहे हैं. दैट इज़ द मेन गेट, और वहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का ऑफिस है. तो वहाँ आपको देना पड़ता है 140 रुपीज़ फॉर एंट्री. I asked him why was I charged 50 rupees per person at the gate. So that was a private MLA's land. तो प्राइवेट लैंड पे आप पार्क करोगे तो वहाँ देना पड़ेगा. वी डिडंट नो दैट फ्रॉम द पिंपरी विलेज देयर इज वे टू गेट इन हियर. सो या 140 per person is the ticket to enter this place by the forest department. After entering that gate, this is a trail that you keep walking. You have to cross a lot of waterfalls, and this is the path that takes you. Suddenly there's a lot of rain, so I'm not being able to shoot properly. So I'm shooting in bits and pieces, and we'll try and fix it in post. You're using the tripod as a walking stick. भाई यहाँ के पूरे रास्ते देयर वाज नो नेटवर्क, ठीक है, नो नेटवर्क. आई हैड टू डाउनलोड द मैप्स टू बी एबल टू रीच हर. एंड सडनली आउट ऑफ नोवेयर आई गॉट सिग्नल एंड मुझे ऑफिस से कॉल आया. अब यहाँ कहाँ उठाऊँ ऑफिस का कॉल, कहाँ हूँ मैं? तो that was that. अभी चलते हैं. Now we're going deeper into the forest and let's see where we reach. Soj thinks this is giving full forbidden forest vibes. Harry Potter दुनिया का. What are you saying?
ऐसे क्रेडिट स्टील करते हैं लोग.
I said that you are saying that it looks like forbidden forest. हाँ बोला. I don't know मेरा फ़ोन इसके बाद बचेगा या नहीं इतना 20 दिन के बाद. It's a tough patch for you know for your tiny legs.
क्या?
छोटी टांगे ना तो it must be tough. This is part of सुहागढ़ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. पॉर्क्यूपाइन होते हैं यहाँ पे. काला बिलौटा, माउस डियर,
जंगल में.
जंगल म्यू. Mew is our cat. And that is where the name Cat Dad Films comes from. एक चीज़ मैं बोलूँगा जो मुझे भी इरिटेट करती है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई Indians just forget how to behave when they come to these places. When we started the trek also, which there was a bunch of boys नदी में लेट के शोर में जा रहे थे. अभी भी there was like a full family, grown ass people shouting in the forest. It's a forest, it's a sanctuary, it's a reserved area. Don't make noise here. Don't litter. Carry like a plastic bag to take your कचरा. It just फिर यही लोग जब विदेश जाते हैं तो ऐसी हरकतें करते हैं and it just puts a bad name. Don't be that person. Don't be like that. It's a beautiful area. Let's preserve it. These parts of the woods look very dark and mysterious and dingy. As we are going deeper into the forest, the number of people we are seeing is also reducing. I think there's a waterfall. There's continuous flow of water. We can hear a waterfall nearby. Let's go to the waterfall and then we'll head back. So we also have to go back to Pune. And शाम हो गई तो फ्राइडे का दिन है. ट्रैफिक बढ़ जाएगा, बेकार हो जाएगा सीन. तो let's see. We are coming to an opening now. What I wanted to do was take nice aesthetic shots on a still tripod. But बारिश इतना हो रहा था ट्राईपॉड सेट करके एंड इट्स अ वेरी थिन ट्रेल, तो लोग भी क्रॉस करते हैं तो इट जस्ट गेट्स अ बिट इनकन्वीनियंट. ट्रेल है, वेरी थिन ट्रेल. Behind me is a waterfall. Right next to it is a bridge, and that was the waterfall you were hearing. So let's go check it out. We decided to walk through the waterfall, and this will be our last spot, and then we'll start heading back. So it was a small vlog this time. छोटा सा ट्रिप था, sort of documenting it. check out the shots of the waterfall, and then we'll start heading back, and I'll probably see you next Sunday. Bye.